So I have been using this hydrating hair mask by NutraHarmony, and it has been really, really beneficial for my hair. You can use it in the shower. I only recommend like twice or 3 times a week. I do it twice a week, and what I do is instead of using my conditioner, I'll work a good amount in my hair, maybe like 2/4 sizes of it, and I'll put a hair clip on and I'll finish the rest of my shower. So it's been on my hair for at least 5 minutes, and then at the end, I'll rinse it out. And my hair, as you can see, I just got out of the shower. It's so soft. I have naturally wavy hair, so when it dries, it looks really, really nice and it doesn't get all frizzy. And it's basically like you're putting vitamins in your hair. This is how it looks. It's for dry, frizzy, damaged, and broken hair. I've also noticed that I have less split ends. It has keratin, wheat protein, coconut oil, argan oil, and collagen. So these are all like natural vitamins for the hair. Definitely, I recommend this hydrating hair mask.